Well, if you read on the little P-38, the pilot of this P-38 scheme is Captain Perry Dath, D-A-T-H, or Dash. I couldn't see it, my eyes are not that good in this sunlight. So anyway, P-38, flight number 2.
Gyro initialized.
I think I'll go up to a 7-minute flight here. Taking off. Crazy fun. Okay, so the challenge is to stay in this little bitty square. I'm gonna fly in the box here, in front of the camera and away from the tree. I'm gonna back up a little bit so I can. Okay, this is better, I think. Just a few feet, and the sun's starting to come around in my peripheral. It's a little tough. Stay away from the light pole. Into the wind. Very nice. This one crab it into me here. Go in the wind and come with me. Come over here. I didn't believe in this. You know, I've flown the Beast, and the Beast is really cool. But these are just as fun. Okay, so I tell you what I gotta do. I gotta turn this thing. It's a dot in the film. I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. My hair's in my eye. Uh-oh. I'm gonna stay out of the sun. Bluff the tree. Tree, you're no match for me. Oh, little dive there. I don't know if you call that a touch and go. I kind of call that a Harrier landing. I can bring her in low and keep her low for the camera. Time for a Harrier touch and go. Touch and go practice. Oh no. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby. Lost it in the sun and I could not see at all. That's horrible. Still can't see. Wind's kicking up, probably about 13. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Taxi practice. A little tough in the wind. Oh no, oh no! As you can see, the wind's kicking up. I don't know how much battery I got left.